This is not what I set out to do, but I thought I should. As I speak, we are evacuating persons from some sections of St. Vincent, St. Vincent, the mainland St. Vincent. The volcano has moved to another stage in its eruption. So as a precautionary measure, persons in the northernmost parts, or the red zone as we call it, have been moved from the volcanic area further down south to the green zones, like in Leyu and I think it's Leyu upwards, Leyu or Barley upwards, I think it is. As I drive, I was seeing persons on the road, because I'm in Chauncey right now. I was passing through Pembroke and seeing persons with their kids and their luggage, seemingly going to other homes, as in homes of friends or family. That one touched me. That one really touched me. It's great to see us helping one another. Me right now, my parents are actually at my house. They were up since earlier trying to go back down to North Leeward, but then they got word that the evacuation notice was given. So everybody is camping out at my house right now. But yeah, we're here. We're alright so far. So I'm just begging your prayers, the people of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. Yeah.